Hello, today in this video we are going to go through the breakdown process of LED emergency lamps. Well, LED lamps are lamps that have evolved these days in every home. In the past, we used what we call the incandescent lights and fluorescent light, which is called the CFL, the tube light, which generate lots of heat and thereby wasting a lot of power. Well, now since the LED light have evolved now in these days, we are going to break one down and see what is inside, what makes it work, what makes it so efficient, and how it has been the best improvement in light technology since then. Let's get to it. Well, back to my table. This is the bulb that I'm going to be breaking to show us the internal parts of it. Well, this bulb is a 12-watt bulb, which is an old one. It could be bad, I haven't tested it yet, but this will pretty much show us every component that a LED bulb will use. So this plate is already broken. We also have to pull out this part, which is what connects this bulb to the AC source, to our mains voltage. So I have to pull out this part. So, okay. Now this is pretty much everything that is inside a LED bulb. This is the power supply circuit. This is the LED panel. This is the cover, which makes the light spread at the wider angle, and this is where everything is housed in. And this is the terminal which connects to this wire so that it can go to the mains voltage part. So, talking about the power supply board, the power supply board is just wired as our normal 5-volt charger. It has the input wires from our mains power supply line. This is a bridge rectifier, yeah. This is a bridge rectifier which turns the AC into DC, and we also have a capacitor for smoothing this DC voltage. Then this IC you see here is our switching IC. Yes, the switching IC which sends a very high frequency signal to this transformer due to its size and the type of core used for the transformer. So it needs a very high frequency to operate very well. So there are other circuitries which make this possible in them. Then this is the output of the transformer, which is again smoothened with a capacitor from an output diode. Then it comes out to this terminal, which is at the positive or negative terminal, which fits right into this LED panel, which powers the entire series of LEDs. So this is pretty much everything. So this kind of setup makes everything so easy and efficient. So this is one sign to show that LED lamps are very efficient than incandescent lamps and fluorescent tubes. So this is the LED panel. The LED panel consists of all the LEDs which the driver operates. Well, in total here we have about maybe more than 24 LEDs, and all of them are connected in series. Yes, they are connected in series because series configuration means it draws less current with higher voltage. So they do this so that large components won't be used maybe to handle high current. So high voltage can be handled mostly by very tiny and small size components. So this is the housing and everything. So this is pretty much everything that we're going to see in a LED light bulb. So once again, LED light bulb are the most efficient form of lights in the entire light producing history. Based on what you've seen in the way I opened a LED bulb and showed you the various components used in it and how efficiency it is, what do you think of LED lamps? You can tell me on the comments in the comment section. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see more of my content, you can watch other of my videos if you haven't already, and please support this channel by putting a like and also subscribing to this channel. Thank you guys, and see you next time.